the primary sector. Okay, if you see here, so just if you see this one, so this is the primary sector, agriculture. Next, if you see this one, so making of bricks comes under, it is the manufacturing sector, so it is secondary sector. Okay, secondary sector. Next, so here what is there? So here, if you see here, the worker. So example, think that she is a labor working in one house. So here what is there? Just giving service. So cleaning the house, getting water, like that. So this is comes under the service sector. Next, if you see here, what she was doing, so it's also some making of some baskets. Okay, so basket making comes under secondary sector. Okay, see here. Next, here the vehicles are there. The vehicles comes under service sector. Okay. Next here, what is the caption here? Aeroplanes. So that is giving some officers like that. They comes under totally service sector. But what is the meaning here means, given here means, actually day by day in our country, service sector is going to be increased a lot. So many people are interested to go for service sector. So that's why the service sector is standing on these sectors. Okay, of course, these here also is there the service sector, but excluding this one, just we can see this. Okay, so here just we move forward. Yes, so it is given here. What is the developmental goal of the different peoples? So I said that different peoples have different developmental goals. So first one is here. One person is riding, some example, the rickshaw. Okay, what is the developmental goal of this rickshaw person? His intention is to get daily customers for his rickshaw so that he can get some income to meet his family needs. Okay, so that is the developmental goal of this person. But he doesn't have any developmental goal that he must become the PM or CM. Okay, remember this one. So why this why this was given that different people have different developmental goals means, so just only they are just, that means they are demanding just, or they are seeking for only small demands which they require. Next here, suppose here is there one retired person is there. Example, here one retired person is there. So he is a retired person. What is the developmental goal of this retired person? So retired person is, he must get daily some pension. Sorry, not daily, just at least monthly. So monthly pension is required, and also he must get daily the food from his family members. That is some sons or like that. So that is the developmental goal of this retired person. So like that here we can see different pictures. Okay. So what is the meaning from this one means, so different peoples have different developmental goals, and all peoples doesn't have the same goal. Okay, every person have different goals. Okay, next, just to move forward. So here is their own caption. So without they cannot develop in the system, I cannot develop. So here one developmental goal is depending on others developmental goal sometimes. Okay, so what is the meaning for this means here? So here example, if he is getting more income, what will happen? He was going to send to the school his children. Otherwise he can't sell, example, he can't send to the school, example. Then if he sent to the school, what will happen? There the school developmental goal will be satisfied. So what is the intention of the school, example? So schools require some students. Okay, like that. So in this way, so one developmental goal sometimes depend on others. Okay. So next, so just to move forward. Yes. So see here, some goals are given here. Yes. So just wait. Yes. You want a car. The way our country is set up, all you can hope for is maybe to one day want the rickshaw you pull. So what is the meaning here means, so example, the rickshaw person was there. His intention is, his developmental goal is to get some car in the future, as he is riding this rickshaw for many years. And at the same time, the other person was there who is a common person. He doesn't have even the rickshaw. Then his developmental goal is, at least in the future, he must get at least one rickshaw. So that is the developmental goal of this poor person. So like that. So here, why all these examples are given here means to make you to understand that. So here is there. So developmental, so different people with different goals. Okay, different people with different goals. సో ఎందుకు ఇంత డీటెయిల్ ఇచ్చిన అంటే సపరేట్ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాడు అనమాట. ఓకే, డెవలప్మెంటల్ గోల్స్ గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ డిఫరెంట్ పీపుల్స్ హ్యావ్ డిఫరెంట్ డెవలప్మెంటల్ గోల్స్ అని. నెక్స్ట్, సో జస్ట్ టు మూవ్ ఫార్వర్డ్. Yes, here some of the other examples are given here. So what is the example means, first here they will give in the exam also sometimes they will use some table like this. So first one, it is given example, category of the person, developmental goal or aspiration. So landless rural laborers, what is the developmental goal of these landless rural labor? So what is the meaning for rural? Rural nothing but just village. Okay, villages. Urban nothing but towns. Okay, in the social studies mainly we use the rural nothing but just villages. Next, urban nothing but just the towns and cities. Okay, remember this one. So next, so what is the developmental goal for landless? So the person who is having doesn't have any land and they are working as a agricultural laborer in the villages, that is in the rural areas. So what is the developmental goal of this person means, so more days of work and better wages. So what is the labor required? So that person require more days of work, okay, with some better wages, and local schools is able to provide quality education for their children. So there is no social discrimination. So they don't want to get this discrimination. So discrimination should be gone. As you can see this in the rural areas, mainly discriminations. So discrimination nothing but, so there will be showing some differences, the high class and low class like that. So that should be gone. So the landless labor also require this kind of goal also. And they too can become leaders in the villages. So sometimes they have this goal. So they also can participate in each and every field along with the rich people, the poor people. So that is the developmental goal. Okay, next, if you see here the other, so here if you see the prosperous farmers from Punjab, just one example is given. Prosperous farmer means, so rich farmer. What is the developmental goal of a rich farmer in the Punjab? So I'm telling rich, okay, prosperous means, so just a good farmer or great farmer. So assured a high family income through high support prices. So his developmental goal is to get assured high family income, okay, and also get a high support price for their crops through hard working and cheap labor. So these rich farmers, they require some labor.